Today's modern construction design is not only characterized by original architecture and stylish interiors, but also by intelligent heating, cooling, and safety solutions. These discreetly hidden installation technologies save both time and money whilst providing extra comfort and convenience. On such technology is the protection system found in parking lots, garages, stairs, pavements, and other ground-level surfaces, which can be secured against the negative effects of winter. Just a few snowy or frosty days are enough to pose a threat to the safety of people, buildings, and vehicles. It's well known how dangerous falling on slippery stairs and sidewalks can be, or how troublesome the dents in car bodywork caused by slippery garage ramps are. Every year, the media is full of disturbing reports about patients who have suffered broken bones or heavy bruising after slipping on icy surfaces. DEVI frost protection systems, such as cables or heating mats, specialized controllers and mounting accessories, will eliminate these hazards and make the snow a safe place to play. The effectiveness of the system is particularly important on inclined surfaces, for example garage ramps. Please note, it is not necessary to heat the entire driveway, as only the small areas that the vehicle tires tread need to be secured. For driveways with steep angles, a linear drainage system is required to drain the water from melting snow and ice. This channel must also be protected from freezing. For stairs, the cables are laid in the form of loops arranged across the steps, maintaining a sufficient distance between the adjacent sections. On new constructions, the installation is laid on the surface of the stairs and overlaid with a concrete layer with a thickness of 3 to 5 centimeters. On old stairs, the cables should be placed in grooves and overlaid with concrete, with an addition of plasticizer. Concrete should adhere closely to the entire surface of the cable without the presence of air bubbles. Cables and mats can be installed directly in concrete or in the sand layer under typical surfaces such as asphalt, paving slabs, and paving blocks. In common applications, the cross-section of layers is as follows: native soil, compacted hardcore, DEVI fast or DEVI clip mounting tape, heating cables or mats, minimum 2 cm sound layer, ground temperature and moisture sensor, and lastly paving blocks. Defrost systems can be installed during both the construction and renovation of existing facilities. Snow clearing is no pleasure. Ice, however, is an even bigger problem resulting from frost after a snowfall. The use of chemicals for de-icing is time-consuming and negatively affects the environment, due to thawing mixtures destroying the soil, footwear, and causing the death of plants, which is why their use in gardens is strictly forbidden. Thanks to DEVI de-icing systems, there is an alternative to using chemicals which doesn't damage surfaces and saves the need to purchase tools for removing snow and ice. No other protection against winter offers such thorough security. Sidewalks, stairs, and garage ramps won't be damaged by harmful chemicals or changing atmospheric conditions. Thanks to this, the household budget won't be stretched to cover unnecessary repairs. Check now which DEVI winter solution fits your home.